everyone! This is again Lizelle, and for today is gagawa ako ng chicken sisig gawa sa ulam namin kahapon, or you can do that one sa mga tira-tira chicken natin sa handaan. Okay, so I'll show you how I did it in just 3 minutes. Start with the ingredients. We have 1 big onion, paminta, 3 pieces na chili, or you can do more, and then 2 itlog. Alright? And then butter, mayonnaise, toyo, oil, at saka yung chicken. So actually for the chicken, you can just cut it in the smaller pieces then. Depende sa preferences niyo. Alright? So, yep. So, for the onion, is ikakat lang natin ng maliliit na pieces. So, if wala naman yung white onion sa atin, is gamitin na lang yung red na onion. It's okay. So, ilagay na natin yung ating butter sa pan. And once ready, is ilagay na natin yung ating onion na nakat. Alright? So, mag-intay lang na parang maging translucent na yung look ng ating onion. And pwede na natin ilagay yung ating chicken. Yep, for the chicken guys is hintayin natin na magka-brown-brown na yung look ng chicken natin. And yan, magti-take ata ng mga 2 to 3 minutes. And once ready na siya, is ilagay na natin yung ating mayonnaise. Okay, so again guys, for the mayonnaise, magto-turn siya ng oil. So, I advise na kung ayaw nyo ng masyadong oily yung ating chicken, is konting butter na lang yung ilagay natin. Alright? And maglagay ng paminta, yung ating asin if you want, if tingin nyo kulang pa yung lasa niya. And by the way guys, if you really want to know the exact measurements of this recipe na ginamit ko, is you can just take a look with the full description sa video na to. Okay? So, yep, once ready na yung ating chicken, is ilagay na natin yung ating chili. So, for the chili guys, again, you can just put any amount of chili that you want, depende sa preferences nyo. Alright? And ihalo lang siya ng mabuti. And once ready, is ilagay na natin yung ating itlog. For the itlog, guys, is normally nilalagay lang natin siya sa top, right? But since wala akong sizzling pan dito, so hinalo ko na lang siya diretso sa chicken. Alright? So, I think ready na yung ating sizzling and ready na siyang iserve. So, guys, I really hope that you enjoy this video and I hope that you try this one in your own as well. And guys, I will really highly appreciate if you leave some comments below to let me know about what you think on this recipe. Okay, so thank you so much guys, and I hope you have a good day. Bye!